What's going on? It's Roger. So I'm trying to fix my 2014 Toyota Sienna. This is the upper glove box. I was trying to figure out how to do it, and I watched a video on YouTube um, by Brian Malone. Thank you for your insight. That video was awesome. So, anyways, I had two issues. First that happened was this part of the glove box, on mine, the hook right here, broke. And then for some reason that there's no retractability, and that has to do with the spring. So after looking at Brian's video, I realized that he showed that his were broken. And so when I got this spare one, so this is my spare, I noticed that these were not in place, and there was a slight crack on both sides. So I just JB welded those, and then I just put that spring in. And I know why this cracks is because it had all this tension from the spring going there. So I'm gonna put this one on, but he did a great job of showing the removal, which is what I'm in the middle of doing. But I just kind of wanted to show what my issue was. Now, I think this is probably an issue. It sounds like it's going to be an issue in the future with a lot of Siennas, of this tension of this spring breaking these and whatnot, just because I see it on his video, and it happened to mine too. So interesting. Anyways, I am gonna put this spring in and install it.